So good morning students. In today's video you will study past perfect continuous tense. So let's begin. So past perfect continuous tense, this is the second video of continuous, so a perfect continuous tense. In the previous video you studied present perfect continuous tense. Now we will study here past perfect continuous tense. So let's identify the past perfect tense, its identification. So you know that every time we begin our tenses with the identification. Why? Because you know the reason. So let's study here first of all identification. You will see in the past perfect continuous tense had been. But in the you remember in the present tense, in the present perfect tense there was has been and have been. But here in the past perfect tense these two will be one. Consider as a one, that is had been. So this is the major main helping verb of this tense. And also you will see first form of the verb with the ing process and since and for at the end of the sentence. Now how, let's understand this identification with the help of these two examples. With the help of examples you can learn better and even you can understand better. So first example I have written here, the postman had been ringing the bell for 10 minutes. So next example I have written, they had been waiting for school bus since morning. So here dear students, you can see very clearly had been. In the both example you can see had been. Here this example with the singular subject, here the example is with plural subjects. So I will tell you later on about this, okay? So I hope you understood its identification in English. Even I taught you here, you will see first form of the verb along with ing process. Here also you can see ring plus ing, here wait plus ing. Even you can see since and for at the end. Now this was the identification in English. Now we will move for the identification in Hindi. Let's understand its identification in Hindi. In the Hindi sentences you will see, आप लोग देखोगे इस सेंटेंस में आपको नजर आएगा जैसे कोई किसी काम को किसी एक पर्टिकुलर पीरियड से कर रहा था, कर रही थी. मीन्स हियर दिस कर रहा था रेफर्स टू एनी काइंड ऑफ एक्शन. Any kind of action, जो भी वो काम कर रहा था या कर रही थी, लेकिन ये किसी एक पीरियड में खत्म हो गया. ओके, सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड these examples with the help of again example. अभी इन आइडेंटिफिकेशन को let's understand with the help of examples. First example I have written here, वे सुबह से शोर मचा रहे थे. मीन्स वो सुबह से मतलब किसी एक पीरियड से किसी एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम तक वो शोर मचा रहे थे. You have to understand here it is थे. Now next example I have written, वह 5 मिनट से रो रहा था. मीन्स he was crying. वो किसी एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम से रो रहा था. So look at here, वे सुबह से शोर मचा रहे थे. They had been making noise since morning. वो 5 मिनट से रो रहा था. He had been crying for 5 minutes. So I hope you understood its identification in Hindi as well as in English very carefully. Now there is no problem for you guys to identify these tenses. So now one question arises here. This had been, where we have to use this had been. I will tell you dear students, this had been we use with all the subjects, whether your subject is singular or whether your subject is plural. यानी कि अगर आपका subject singular भी है तो भी हम had been use करेंगे, अगर आपका subject plural है तो भी हम had been यूज करेंगे. Okay, so let's understand its rules. Let's understand first subject. This is the rule for positive sentence, this is the rule for negative sentence, and this is the rule for interrogative sentence. So subject plus had been, the has been and have been will be had been in the past perfect continuous tense. So subject plus had been plus first form of the verb ing, then since and for. Then in the negative sentence you have to change directly subject plus had not been. Had not been, you have to remember this structure, particular structure, had not been plus first form of the verb, then ing, then since and for. Next, the rule for interrogative sentence. In the interrogative sentence, the helping verb usually comes outside. You know this process. So we are taking out this had outside. So it will be as like this. See, had plus subject plus been. Then been will be remaining inside. Been plus verb first form plus ing. Then since and for. These are the particular structure or particular rules for these past perfect continuous tenses. So let's understand these rules by changing these sentences into negative as well as in the interrogative form. So first example, वे सुबह से शोर मचा रहे थे. They had been making noise since morning. So here this is your positive sentence. Now you have to change it in the negative sentence. Let's change. So in the negative sentence, simply you have to put there not here. So this structure will be had not been. You know this. There, here I taught you had not been. Okay. Now it's interrogative. Had they been making noise since morning? क्या वे सुबह से शोर मचा रहे थे? नाउ नेक्स्ट इज वह 5 मिनट से रो रहा था. he had been crying for 5 minutes. अगर इसका नेगेटिव बनाना है तो कैसा बनेगा? वो 5 मिनट से नहीं रो रहा था. So he had not been. Here you have to use not. So particular structure you remember, had not been. So he had not been crying for 5 minutes. So its interrogative will be had he been crying for 5 minutes. Okay, so in the interrogative sentence we take the helping verb just beginning of a sentence. So I hope you understood these two examples. By these 2 examples even you could understand the structure of rules. So one major thing I want to tell you, dear students, first of all you have a clear knowledge of identification or you have the clear knowledge of identification. If you can identify the tenses, you can easily learn all these process like their rules and regulations. With the rules and regulations you can make the examples as well as you can change them into negative and interrogative process. So I hope you understood this video. If you like this video, you can just subscribe this channel, Simplified Grammar.